Hey guys, I'm super excited for this video because it is a collab with Navleen K, so make sure to check out her channel and subscribe. So if you like seeing videos with Navleen, then comment down below #Mayel to see more videos like this one. And today we are recreating the famous cereal milk slime, and the criteria is that it has to be thick and glossy. So before we begin, I just want to give credit to Parakeet Slimes because we were inspired by her famous cereal milk slime. So you'll be needing glue, activator, a bowl and a mixing tool, baby oil, lotion, and some shaving cream. To start off, you'll be pouring in your glue into a bowl. Now we are going to add some shaving cream for a bit of fluff, and I added a bit too much, so I'm just going to in with some more glue and mix it all up. Now we are going to add some shampoo, and this is just going to make it a bit more clicky. As well with some lotion, and this is going to make our slime super stretchy. Now I'm going to add some baby oil, and this is what makes your slime really glossy, so add in as much baby oil as you want to for more gloss. Afterwards, you can go in with some activator. Begins to pull off of your bowl, play with it in your hands and begin to knead. Add bits of activator if needed. Here's some ASMR. So on the left is Navleen's slime, and on the right is my slime, and I think we both did a pretty good job. Comment down below which one do you think has the closest recreation to Parakeet Slime's cereal milk slime. Once again, make sure to check out Navleen's channel. I absolutely love her slime videos, so make sure to go check her out. So here is today's subscriber shout out. So if you want a shout out, just comment down below #subbed to be featured in one of my videos. To support both of our channels, like, subscribe, and also turn on post notifications to be notified whenever we post a new video. Bye!